Hey, you think we can fit this in the truck? Where? Someone's truck? Your bike?
Man, we got a rider down, man. Damn. Fuck, y'all, we got a rider down, man. Oh, shit. Damn, brothers took a fall, y'all. Fuck. Fucking went and took the turn a little bit too hard. Bro took a hit. Damn.
Barbed wire fence. Wasn't nothing like, nothing really serious. Kind of just hit the barbed wire fence.
Brothers took a fall. Fucking damn. Bent that corner too quick. Damn, man. Went in that corner way too quick. Damn, man. Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna take I mean, it ain't total yet, but why you guys gotta ride safe, man. You can't hit them turns too hard, man, with baggers, man, unless you know, experienced and know what you're doing, man. You know. Thankfully, bruh's alive, you know, but it's his bike is a little damaged, but he's alive, man. That's the good part about it, that he's alive. Man, he fucked up though. Yeah, he alive. Thank God he alive.